Every entrepreneur dreams of building a business that thrives. But the truth is, no idea, no matter how brilliant, can survive without financial discipline. Learning basic finance skills isn't an option. It's a necessity. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or running a tech startup, understanding how money moves in and out of your business can determine whether you grow or go broke. In the UK alone, over 60% of startups fail within 3 years, and poor financial management remains one of the top reasons. Many entrepreneurs focus on sales, marketing, or product design, but overlook how crucial budgeting, pricing, and cash flow management are. Knowing how to read a balance sheet or a profit and loss statement gives you a clear picture of your business's health, where money comes from, where it goes, and how much is left. When you track your expenses, plan for taxes, and manage your cash flow wisely, you can handle slow months without panic. A strong grasp of finance also helps you make smart decisions, like when to reinvest profits, how to cut unnecessary costs, and how to plan for long-term growth. Understanding your numbers helps you see opportunities others might miss, such as identifying which products bring the highest margins or when it's time to raise your prices. Financial literacy also builds confidence when dealing with investors, banks, or clients. If you can explain your revenue model, profit projections, and cost structure clearly, you instantly gain credibility. As entrepreneur Warren Buffett once said, "Accounting is the language of business." If you can't speak that language, you risk being misunderstood or worse, misled. Many small business owners in the UK struggle during tax season simply because they don't understand how VAT, national insurance, or self-employment tax works. Learning these basics not only prevents stress, but also saves money by avoiding penalties or late payments. Even simple budgeting principles like the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of income goes to essentials, 30% to growth, and 20% to savings, can create a solid financial foundation for any entrepreneur. Today, technology makes managing finances easier than ever. Accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Fragent help automate invoices, expenses, and tax submissions, while AI-powered apps can forecast future spending or suggest where to cut costs. Entrepreneurs who embrace these tools gain real-time insight into their financial position and can make faster, smarter decisions. Financial knowledge also allows you to protect your business during economic uncertainty like inflation, rising interest rates, or sudden market downturns. When you understand how to adjust prices, renegotiate supplier contracts, or diversify income streams, you stay resilient when others crumble. Ultimately, learning finance is about freedom. It means you don't have to rely on others to interpret your numbers or make major financial decisions for you. It gives you control, confidence, and clarity, the foundation of every successful entrepreneur. As billionaire investor Mark Cuban once said, "Sales cure all problems, but only if you know your margins." Knowing your finances helps you avoid burnout, build sustainable growth, and achieve financial independence faster. So, whether you're just starting or already running a growing company, make finance your friend. Take a short course, read financial blogs, or use online tools to strengthen your skills. Because when you understand your money, you can make it work for you.